Welcome back to Yoga with Nancy. Today I'll be guiding you through a quick 10-minute stretch for neck, shoulder, and back pain relief. So all the stretches that we'll be doing today are designed to release all tension from these specific areas of your body. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Start by placing your hands out beside you and begin with neck rolls. So moving the neck in one direction, slowly and gently, dropping the shoulders. And if you hear any cracks or tight spots, just breathe into that. And we'll take our neck rolls over in the opposite direction. Bring the chin back, down, and around. Really getting into any of those kinks. Come back to the center. Drop your left ear towards your left shoulder and use your left hand gently placed on top of your head for an extra stretch along the right side of the neck. So you'll feel a deep stretch on the right shoulder. Breathe here. Our breath is a tool to help us release added tension. So as we do these stretches, remember to stay tuned into your breath. And now we'll take that same stretch over to the other side. So right ear comes to the right shoulder. Feeling that deep stretch through the left side of your shoulder and neck. Breathing in. Exhale out. Releasing tension. And now come back to the center and clasp your hands behind your back. And bring your fists over towards the right hip. And drop your right ear towards your right shoulder for a deep stretch on the left side of your neck and traps. Breathing in. Exhale out. And now move your fist to the other side and drop your left ear towards your left shoulder for a stretch along the right side of the neck. Breathing deeply in and exhaling out. And coming back to the center. We'll begin to take some hip circles. So moving in one direction. Open the chest as you come forward and round through the spine as you move back. Moving with your breath here. Open the chest. Exhale, round through the spine. And we'll take our circle in the opposite direction. Open through the chest. Exhale, round through the spine. Moving with your breath. Come back to the center. Clasp your hands behind your neck. Exhale, bring the elbows to touch. Inhale, opening the chest. Exhale, bring the elbows together. Open up as you inhale. Exhale. Inhale, opening up the chest and shoulders. This time as you exhale, hold here, feeling that deep stretch in the back of your neck. And letting that go. Bring your hands back to the knees. And take a twist over to the right. Left hand comes onto the right knee. Lengthen through the spine. Feeling that nice twist along your back. And coming back to the center, twist over to the left. Right hand comes on top of the left knee. Now coming back to the center. Come to lay on your back, hug the knees into the chest, and rock from side to side along your spine. This is extremely restorative for the back and the spine. And now hugging the right knee into the chest. Use your left hand to bring the right leg over and across your body as you gaze over your right shoulder. Feeling that deep twist along your torso. This is extremely beneficial for long-term spinal health. So enjoy this stretch. Inhale to come back to the center, hugging the left knee into the chest. Right leg extends out. And using your right hand, twist your left leg over towards the right as you gaze over your left shoulder. Breathing into this twist. Breathe in. As you exhale, twist a little deeper. Come back to the center and drop both knees over towards one side and then the other. We'll do that one more time, dropping the knees over towards the left. Inhale over towards the right. Really releasing any of that tension in the back. As you come back to the center, gently come up to seated. Hopefully you're feeling good by now. And we'll end this class by giving ourselves a neck massage. So start at the right side of your neck. Begin to squeeze through your traps and shoulders. And then we'll take it over to the left side. Really getting into any of those tight spots. This is an act of self-love and self-care. Awesome. Come back to the center and see how you feel here. Hopefully you feel less tension in these areas of your body. And let's bring our hands to heart center. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste. And if you enjoyed today's class, please remember to leave me a comment down below how it went for you and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again in the next class soon.